Welcome to the Ninja Trader channel. I've got some great news for you. If you haven't started using our unique AI trading assistant yet, now's the perfect time to dive in. With fast indicator analysis and highly accurate recommendations, you can get your hands on all this for free, starting today. But here's the catch. This offer is only available for 1 month. After January, the bot goes back to being paid, and it'll only stay free for those who grab it before the offer ends. Before we jump in, do me a favor, hit that like button and leave a comment to help this video reach more traders so we can all improve our game. Now, let's get started. Alright, so we've got a long recommendation here, but with a few important caveats. What's raising a red flag for me is that several key indicators are showing overbought signals. Specifically, the price on the chart is taking its sweet time to break new highs. The growth is slow and hesitant, which doesn't exactly inspire confidence. At the same time, the local low was a while ago, and we're seeing bear volumes getting more aggressive, almost like they're ready to crush the bull's potential. So, with all that in mind, the most logical move right now is to go short. Especially considering that support levels are getting weaker, while resistance keeps getting stronger. It's important to remember that our bot isn't some magic money machine where you just follow recommendations blindly. Sadly, no one's cracked that code. What it does is automate market analysis, saving you heaps of time when it comes to decision making. You get a signal, check out the chart, make your move using 2 key factors, and boom, pocket your well-earned profit. Simple as that. Oh, and by the way, based on our data, the bot's recommendations have an impressive 80% accuracy rate. If you're serious about taking your trading to the next level, check out the video description and give our bot a try through the link. And hey, drop your feedback in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Start today and double your first deposit with our exclusive promo code. Deposit $300, and we'll match it, giving you $600 to supercharge your trades. Why choose us? Because we're a trusted partner in the trading world. We prioritize your success and offer not just powerful tools, but also the peace of mind that comes with reliable support every step of the way. And there's more. Sign up now and get access to a private community of experienced traders. Inside, we share top market signals and insider tips to help you make smarter, more profitable moves. Don't wait, your next big trading win is just 1 click away. Hit the link in the description and unlock your potential today. In trading, discipline is key, and it all starts with solid money management. A core principle is the 1 to 2% rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital per trade. For instance, with a $1,000 balance, your risk should stay between $10 to $20 per trade. This simple strategy helps protect your account from major losses, keeping you in the game even through rough patches. Losses are inevitable in trading, but how you manage them makes all the difference. If you're hit with consecutive losses, take a step back and clear your mind. Trading with emotion often leads to bigger mistakes. Sometimes the best move is to pause and analyze the market with a fresh perspective. So, with this new currency pair, we've got a recommendation to go short. Now, let's take a closer look at the market situation so we can clearly understand what we're dealing with. But remember, the market is unpredictable. Any small news could shift expectations and change the whole dynamic around the currency, leading to some pretty unexpected price moves. In this case, the short recommendation is based on the trend, and it's a trend that's already hit a risky low point. It could flip at any moment, so we need to stay alert. Right now, we're seeing a consolidation pattern with 2 highs and 3 lows. The last time, the price didn't show much bullish potential, which means there's a chance it could keep dropping under the pressure of bear volumes. Now, if things go south and the price does start moving up, I'm ready for that. I plan to use a martingale strategy to lock in the price movement within a range I'll create myself and guarantee a profit. The key is finding the right entry point, though that can be tricky in volatile conditions. The key is to always stay calm and keep a clear head. Emotions are the worst enemy of any trader. By the way, if you start feeling anxious during a trade, just check in with our bot and request a new recommendation. It scans market indicators every 60 seconds and gives you fresh advice based on the latest data. Super handy, especially if you're using a martingale or hedging strategy in your sessions. As for me, I'm going without it this time since I'm not expecting any big moves beyond the set limit. At this point, I think everything's under control. So, while we wait for the trade to wrap up, let's take a moment to discuss a couple of interesting topics. Confidence in trading doesn't come from luck, it comes from knowledge. You've probably heard the phrase, knowledge is power, but in the world of trading, it's not just a saying, it's a rule you must live by. The more you understand the markets, the better your decisions will be. Whether it's reading charts, analyzing patterns, or mastering risk management, each piece of knowledge you gain builds a stronger foundation for your trading career. But here's the reality, no one becomes an expert overnight. The best traders are the ones who continuously educate themselves, adapt, and refine their strategies. They understand that the markets are dynamic, and what works today might not work tomorrow. This is why a commitment to learning is so important. Don't rush the process. Every trade, every mistake, and every success is an opportunity to gain valuable insights. It's also about getting comfortable with uncertainty. You won't always be able to predict exactly where the market is going, but with knowledge and strategy, you'll be able to make informed decisions. The more you educate yourself, the more confident you'll feel navigating the ups and downs. Confidence isn't about avoiding mistakes, it's about trusting the process and learning from each experience. So, make the investment in learning. Whether it's through books, courses, or mentorship, your future self will thank you. Knowledge is the ultimate edge in trading. And with that edge, your confidence will grow, leading to better trades, better decisions, and ultimately, better success. I have a feeling this is going to be an interesting trade. One recommendation is to go long, the other is to go short. Which one will we pick? I think we're going long. Even though the local low was a while ago compared to the local high, there's still potential. Especially since key support levels keep rising, and the chances of that slowing down anytime soon are pretty low. Even if the price drops, a support zone will form, and the price will bounce back, returning to the existing trend. Short-term volatility is nothing to worry about. On the longer-term chart, we can see that there was a correction over the last few hours, with the price dropping significantly to find a new low. Since then, the price has been rising almost without pause. So, there's no reason for that to stop now. The previous high bear volumes are now being replaced by bull volumes, and the market is clearly shifting. So, the most likely scenario here is the formation of a new support zone, followed by a price bounce upward. While we're waiting for the deal to close, let me share something exciting with you. We're running a huge contest on our channel. We'll be picking 2 winners who will each get $1,000 just for leaving a random comment. You could win an amazing prize by doing just a few simple things. Watch this video from start to finish, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment related to trading. But here's the catch. Only viewers who watch the entire video will be eligible to participate. You can only leave one comment, and it must be on topic. Comments like "I want $1,000" won't count. I choose the winners every week using a randomizer, and our team posts the results on our Telegram channel. Be sure to subscribe to it through the link in the description. Along with contest results, I also share important educational content there that will help you quickly level up your skills and develop the mindset needed for professional trading with currency pairs, and beyond. Patience isn't just a virtue in trading, it's the cornerstone of success. If you've ever felt frustrated by slow progress or discouraged by a losing streak, know this: the best traders didn't get where they are by rushing their journey. They understand that the markets don't move on their schedule, and neither should you. The key is to trust the process, to stay committed to your strategy even when the immediate results don't reflect your effort. Success in trading isn't about catching every wave, it's about consistency and discipline over time. The most successful traders know that profits are earned in the long run, not in a day or week. Patience gives you the space to evaluate, adjust, and refine your methods. It helps you stay calm in moments of uncertainty, and it allows you to learn from each trade, rather than reacting impulsively. It's easy to feel pressured to make quick gains, but rushing can lead to costly mistakes. The markets will always be there, and so will the opportunities. By focusing on steady progress, you set yourself up for long-term success. So, take your time, master your strategy, and trust that with patience, your consistent efforts will pay off. Don't focus on instant gratification. The true reward comes to those who are willing to wait, learn, and grow. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Don't miss out on this bot. Check the link in the description to get started. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips, strategies, and reviews to sharpen your skills. If you found this video useful, show some love with a like. The right tools are key to success. Let's dive in and start your journey today.